Hello everyone, and welcome back to Bloxburg Tutorials with Nick. I'm your host, Nick, and today we'll be building a basic house in Bloxburg. This is just going to be the basics to start by going into build mode. Remember, this is friendly to anyone who does not have any passes. And move yourself and the mailbox over. Then we're going to place a 2 wide and then 3 long floor. This is going to be where you put your car. I'm just going to do the dirt material and the color brown. Next, we are going to start by placing a wall at the end of the driveway. Go 4 back, and then next wall, do 3 long again, then 2 long, and then go 5 long for the next wall, and then go 6 long for the next wall, then fill in the rest around the driveway. Then we're going to place a sideways wall, cross 2, then back 2. Then we're going to place another wall, 3 long, and then back 2. Then we're going to place a path, 6 across, and then down to the sidewalk. We're going to color this the same as the driveway. Once you've done that, we're going to grab the plain doors. We're going to place them on the sideways wall and in the middle of the other wall. Then we are going to place the standard window door just where the sidewalk and the path meet at the end. Color that black, the red part. Then make vertical painted wood panels on the outside in the color slime green. Then we are going to just color all the exterior walls that same color and panel. And once you've done that, we are going to put floor down. We are first going to put floor in the bathroom. Then we are going to put some in the kitchen/living room. Then some in the bedroom. You're not going to fully fill it in quite yet because we're just going to color these first and then continue. Color the one in the bedroom the classic carpet material, leave the color. Then for the kitchen, we are going to do brown and wood, just wood. Brick for the bathroom, don't change the color. And then for the walls in the bathroom, we are going to do a dusty rose. Color all the walls in the bathroom dusty rose. Do not change the material. Once you've done that, we are going to color the bedroom walls cadet blue. Make sure that they are all that color. Do not change the material. Then for the walls in the living/kitchen area, we are going to color those sand green. Do not change the material and make sure that they are all the color sand green. Once you have done that, we are going to go ahead and fill in the rest of the floor. You may need to do manual placement for the odd flooring, and then for the rest of the square ones, just do box placement. And once you've finished with that, we are going to go ahead and do roofs. We are going to be using the pyramid roof. Cover the biggest area of the house with that, and then cover the remaining parts with a flat roof. Then we are going to go ahead and color the roof. We are going to be using the asphalt shingles in the color smoky gray. Then for the underside of the roof, we are going to do the material plaster. Do not change the color. Then repeat that for the other roof and make sure that the underside is medium stone gray, plaster. Once you have done that, we're going to go ahead and go to Windows. We are going to get the small sunset window and place 2 on the entrance door wall in the living room. Then we are going to go ahead and place 2 more in the bedroom on the longest wall in there. Once you've done that, we're going to place 1 last window at the edge of the hallway in the kitchen/living. Once we finish with that, we are going to go ahead to the lighting. We are going to be doing the plain ceiling lamp, place it in the middle of the largest area of the kitchen/living. Color it cashmere, medium stone gray for the metal. Then make sure to place it at the edge of the hallway where the window is, 1 in the bathroom and 1 in the bedroom. After you finish with that, we are going to go ahead for the beds. Grab the standard single bed and place it in the corner with the window in the bedroom. Once you have finished with that, we are going to go and get the basic stove and place it on the wall in the kitchen. It's going to be the longest wall. The fridge as well. Then place the basic counter next to them, and you have finished with the kitchen. Next, we are going to go to the comfort, grab a simple sofa, and place it on the wall with the windows. Color it sand green, and then change nothing else. Once you have done that, we are going to grab the basic TV stand and put it in front of the sofa. Then we are going to get the TV. It's going to be the NYX Vintage View TV. And place it on top of the TV stand, and then color the TV stand to match the TV. So just click the TV. And we have now finished the living room. Next, we are going to go to plumbing, grab the Mighty Flush toilet and put it on the back wall. Then grab the tilt pedestal sink and also put it on the back wall. And then finally grab the basic shower and put it on the wall opposite the toilet. Next, we're going to color the curtains to be dusty rose. And congrats! Now you're done. You have built the basics house for Bloxburg. Thank you so much to the commenter who suggested that we do a cheaper house last time. And thank you all for watching. Goodbye!